shirt on Teespring.
In a move that sent shockwaves through the legal community and beyond, President Donald Trump issued an executive order targeting law firms representing his political opponents. This unprecedented order, widely condemned as an assault on the rule of law, sought to punish and silence lawyers daring to represent clients deemed unfavorable by the president. The order, dripping with authoritarianism, aimed to restrict access to federal buildings for employees of these firms, limit their ability to engage with government officials, and even strip some of their security clearances. The executive order, shrouded in a cloud of intimidation, targeted firms like Perkins Coie, a prominent legal firm that had represented Hillary Clinton's 2016 presidential campaign and engaged in voting rights litigation opposed by Trump. This blatant act of retaliation sent a clear message. Lawyers who dared to challenge the president's agenda would face severe consequences. The order's overreach extended beyond Perkins Coie, ensnaring other firms and attorneys who had drawn Trump's ire for their work on behalf of clients engaged in matters deemed politically inconvenient. The order's reach was vast, impacting not only the targeted firms but also sending a chilling message to the entire legal profession. The specter of government retaliation loomed large, casting a shadow of fear and self-censorship over lawyers who might otherwise have been willing to take on cases deemed politically sensitive. This attempt to silence dissent and undermine the adversarial system, a cornerstone of American democracy, was met with immediate and widespread condemnation. In a resounding victory for the Constitution and the rule of law, U.S. District Judge Beryl Howell permanently blocked Trump's executive order. Judge Howell, in a scathing rebuke of the former president's actions, declared the order unconstitutional, finding it a blatant violation of the First, Fifth, and Sixth Amendments. Her ruling, a testament to the enduring strength of American democracy, sent a clear message that the judiciary would not stand idly by while the executive branch trampled on fundamental rights. Judge Howell, in her meticulously reasoned opinion, dismantled the executive order's legal basis, exposing it as a thinly veiled attempt to punish political enemies and stifle dissent. She found the order to be a blunt exercise of power and an unprecedented attack on the independence of the legal profession and the judiciary. Her ruling, hailed as a victory for the rule of law, served as a powerful reminder that even the president is not above the Constitution. The court's decision, a beacon of hope in a time of political turmoil, reaffirmed the fundamental principle that lawyers should not face retribution for representing their clients, regardless of how unpopular or politically inconvenient those clients may be. Judge Howell's ruling, a testament to the judiciary's vital role in safeguarding constitutional rights, provided much-needed reassurance that the courts would continue to serve as a bulwark against executive overreach. The executive order, crafted with chilling precision, sought to cripple law firms representing Trump's adversaries by severing their ties with the federal government. One of the order's most insidious provisions barred attorneys from these firms from accessing federal buildings, effectively cutting them off from essential government agencies and services. This deliberate act of sabotage aimed to hamstring these firms' ability to represent their clients effectively, denying them access to crucial information and resources. The order's assault on the legal profession extended beyond restricting physical access to government buildings. It also sought to sever communication channels between these lawyers and government officials, effectively muzzling their voices and preventing them from advocating for their clients. This blatant attempt to silence dissent struck at the very heart of the adversarial system, where open communication between opposing parties is essential for a fair and just resolution of legal disputes. Beyond these restrictions, the executive order contained an even more alarming provision: the power to strip lawyers at these firms of their security clearances. Security clearances are essential for lawyers working on cases involving classified information, and revoking them without due process could have devastating consequences for their clients and their ability to mount a vigorous defense. This provision, widely condemned as an abuse of power, highlighted the administration's willingness to weaponize national security concerns to punish its political enemies. Judge Howell's ruling, a resounding affirmation of the rule of law, carries profound implications for lawyers and the legal profession as a whole. The ruling serves as a stark reminder that the Constitution protects lawyers from government retaliation for representing clients, even those deemed unpopular or politically inconvenient. This fundamental principle is essential to the functioning of a fair and just legal system, ensuring that all individuals, regardless of their political beliefs or affiliations, have access to competent legal representation. The court's decision sends a clear message to those in power that attempts to silence dissent and undermine the adversarial system will not be tolerated. The ruling serves as a beacon of hope for lawyers who might otherwise hesitate to take on controversial cases for fear of government retribution. By affirming the independence of the legal profession, Judge Howell's decision helps safeguard the rights of all Americans to seek justice and hold their government accountable. The ruling's impact extends beyond the immediate case, serving as a powerful reminder of the judiciary's critical role in safeguarding constitutional rights and upholding the rule of law. In an era marked by political polarization and attacks on democratic institutions, Judge Howell's decision stands as a testament to the enduring strength of the American legal system and its commitment to protecting the rights of all citizens.